A part of having smarter technology for all means making it more sustainable for all. That's why we made a commitment to our customers, community, and our stakeholders to do better. This is what we promised and what we're doing. First, we promised to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 and cut Scope 1 and 2 emissions in half. So we joined the Science Based Targets Initiative with the goal of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius in alignment with the United Nations effort to limit climate change. We also promised to innovate our products and services and how we build them. That's why we're annually using 8 million kilograms of recycled plastic across our product portfolio. We even promised to innovate our packaging to make it from recycled or renewable materials. By using sustainable materials like sugarcane and bamboo, we've eliminated 3,100 tons of packaging waste since 2008. And here's our promise today. We'll never stop looking for new steps to take. We hope you'll join us as we all work together to limit climate change. Sustainability. It's smarter for all. Happy Earth Day.